All right, so you've connected your Shopify dataset. Maybe you've connected your production SQL database. You've written some queries to join all of this data together, and here finally you have your golden layer view of all of your data. Now you're ready to consume this data, and what better way to do that than using AI, right? So what you can do is use an MCP server, which we do now have on the DataGOL workbooks. So you can come here to your settings, and then here we have the option to copy this workbook as an MCP URL. So when we click here, we can copy this. It'll already have your service account token generated for you. And then you can create a custom agent within DataGOL and connect this MCP URL. Or if you're already comfortable using another tool like Claude, you can also connect it there. So if I come here in Claude to my settings, go to my connectors, and then add a custom connector, I can give my connector a name. I'll call it tickets because that's the data set that I'm working with is service tickets from customers. And then I can go ahead and add that right there. So now, let's say I start a new chat and I'm ready to start asking questions on this data set through DataGOL. Now let's say I'm ready to consume this information through Claude by calling the DataGOL MCP URL. So I can ask a question like, what are some recurring operational issues in the DataGOL workbook? Use the MCP. And then you can see here that Claude will have the available tools to get the table schema and then execute a query to give us the information that we need. So you can see here it's going to use all of those tool calls and then give us a breakdown of our data. So here we go, return request, etc. But maybe I want to do something like show the relationship between first time response time in hours and customer satisfaction rating, right? We have some typos. Claude will be able to handle it. So you can see here that Claude is going to start working. It's going to begin executing the queries, and then it'll actually start generating code based on that data that we have living in DataGOL. It'll start writing some code in order to create different visualizations for us. And there we go. Now we can see that Claude has generated this visualization for us, comparing our first response time in hours to our customer satisfaction rating, all via the DataGOL MCP URL. So it's very clear that it's never been easier to connect, join, and consume all of your data across various data sources, all with AI.